I'm recording you. Hi, horsey. Junior's scared of horses. I was saying that in the video. The video that I'm recording right now.
Okay, pull it.
Don't lead it to me, okay? Hi, horsey. Hey, kick it. Kick it. Why do you think everything is gonna drop you? If you got on a piggy, you would be like, yeah, it's not gonna drop me.
Igual, saca el pie, agárrate de aquí. Saca el otro pie.
It's gonna take long to get it. How is it not fun? What do you think? Okay, that's what you're supposed to do. Okay, now Carla's getting on. Go. Mush! I want the stick now, it's gonna run.
Where I was on it. You better cut that part.
Okay.
You don't need to know.
Leave the video.
That one doesn't work. At least all the
Well, too late, it was in the same
At
video.
least all the editing cartoons.
Oh wait, I was... Mush! Is flash on? Mush! I'm gonna run all the way over there, so I'm gonna pause the video. Boots. Hello. She's mush horsey mush horsey mush. Faster, faster, faster. Oh!
I don't want it to move.
It's a police horse. No, it's not. It's a thunder horse.
Sí, acá anda. Cushion.
Okay.
Oh,
The front. Run, horsey, run! Dig. I'm a transport over there. Okay, I'm here. I think I was recording. On the way here. No. Because I want to ride it now. Okay, riding with you. So how far are you gonna go? So like over there. So like when you make a turn, you can go back to the house. I know, but I'm just oh the gate. Okay. See two buddies right there. I see the moon. I see it. Hello. The moon. Oh wait, no, I think that's one birdie, and is that a bunny? Or I don't know. That might be a dog. Laugh. It looks like a bird. Look, is that dog? I'm gonna end the video here. In the next video, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh.
Give me a little stick. Give me that little stick.
Which one? Okay. And then
Right here.
here, get it before I start running. Okay. So in the next video, I'm gonna record myself. Well, I'm not gonna record. I might record myself on the horse, and you're also gonna see me riding the horse. So bye.